2024 was the best year in terms of profitability for my game studio. It was the most amount of money my games have made in a single year. And the best part was I didn't even spend a single cent on marketing. However, I still consider the year a bit of a failure. So in this video, I'm going to share the juicy numbers with you guys. And I'm also going to explain what I mean by failure. Hey guys, my name's Justin and I run a small independent game studio. And I've been fortunate enough to turn my passion for making games into a full-time gig. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how much money my games have earned, which monetization methods I used, and all the pitfalls and challenges I faced in 2024. So the revenue is broken down into two parts. I monetize my games in two ways. The first one is with skills through real cash tournaments, and the second one is with ads through Unity Ads. So if we look at my skills dashboard, you can see in 2024, I earned a total of $63,527.14 with skills. That's coming from 302,000 installs. Don't pay attention to this drop in installs. There's currently a bug in the analytics on the dashboard, so it's not reflecting current installs. And if we go to my Unity Ads account, because Unity only shows 6 months ad revenue, then if we go to payout history, you can see in January I got a payment of $7,000. February was $13,000. If we go to March, you can see 17,900, April 12,000, May was 14,000, and if we add up all of these amounts, it comes up to around $165,000. So if you total that up with the skills revenue, the total was around $228,000. So $228,000 without spending a cent on marketing. You're probably thinking, wow, that's pretty good. I wish I could earn that much. However, let me explain why I think the year was a bit of a failure. It all goes back to the end of 2023. I was coming out of a long-term relationship, 9 years. I was actually engaged. And then at the end of 2023, we kind of called off the wedding last minute. And that kind of led to a series of events and kind of a downward spiral, especially for my mental health. I was in therapy for a while, and subsequently I started to make wrong decisions just to make myself feel better. You know, like I said, it was a great year for my studio, and watching the money roll in, it was kind of a catch-22 situation, because mentally I was kind of looking for an escape, and I started to make the wrong decisions. I stopped investing into my studio. I would take trips around the world, and I would spend kind of uncontrollably when I should have been investing and not taking my foot off the gas. So anyone who knows business knows that if you want to have long-term success and you want growth, you have to have something called delayed gratification. And you know, growing up, to be honest, I never really had any money. You guys, if you follow the channel, you know the story. I literally, with my family, we had no electricity, all these crazy stories. So yeah, money was a big thing for me, and especially when it started coming in, I kind of, like I said, I took my foot off the gas. And that is kind of why I pegged this year up to a bit of a failure, because my goal is to scale my studio to 7 figures beyond in profit. And I can honestly say this year I did not invest like I should. I should have been way more ahead. I should have grown my team more. I should have created more games. At the same time, I was going through a lot, and yeah, I was trying to find my way. However, towards the end of the year, I did get back on track, and yeah, I'm going into 2025 with a renewed vigor and renewed passion and a laser focused mentality. So yeah, in 2025, I'm really excited to see how things can go when I actually focus and invest properly and not let all the shiny things around me distract me from what's truly important. I'm at that stage now when I want to start thinking about building a family and a legacy, and yeah, the only way that's going to come is through hard work and grit. And yeah, I made this video because I want to be transparent with you guys. You know, I don't want to just show you all the wins and make it seem like everything's effortless and it's just easy. No, there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. Can't think that money's always going to flow in without you doing anything. So that was the biggest lesson for me. I had one situation where they turned off ads in one of my games, and I was literally losing hundreds of dollars per day. And I was thinking, this shouldn't have happened. Like, if I had invested properly and I was more focused on what was actually important. So yeah, I also learned some hard lessons this year that I'm going to take into 2025. And yeah, I want to see how far I can go. And I'm very excited to share this journey with you guys. So if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of cool stuff in store for you for this next year. And yeah, let's see how far I can take it. So wishing you guys all the best. And I hope you also are going to take 2025 seriously. I've got my vision board up in my apartment that I look at every day. And I'm going to hit every one of those goals. And yeah, I hope you guys are going to do the same. So I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.